Have you ever wanted to create something really unique? My journey started with a pile of peppers and a big desire for bold flavors. I wanted a hot sauce that would make my meals taste better without taking over. So I started experimenting in the kitchen. My first batch with just jalapenos, garlic, vinegar, and salt was okay, but it was far from great. I started adding honey and a squeeze of lime, tasting and adjusting until I finally got it right. Making small batches made it easy to learn fast. If something didn't work, I could change it without wasting anything. I asked friends to try it and give honest opinions. Their feedback helped me improve the recipes more than anything else. I learned that iteration is key. Each batch taught me how to balance flavors better. The goal was never perfection. It was learning and having fun. I realized that product market fit isn't just a business term. When friends asked for more, I knew I was on the right track. This hobby keeps my culinary skills sharp and reminds me that great things come from trial and error. So why not start your own adventure? Make your first batch of hot sauce and enjoy the process of creating something new.